A lively, honkatonk piano intro. Verse 1. Well, the screen went black on my telephone, my whole world crashed. I felt so alone, no more connections, no more texts from my honey, and fixing it myself would just cost more money, a fella at the bar said. Don't you cry or fret, there's only one place to go, and that's Kai Best. Verse 2. They don't use no magic, no secret disguise, just honest, good work right in front of your eyes. They'll give you a price that's fair and true and have you fixed up in an hour or two, so if your phone's drowning or took a fall, just give a whistle, Kai Best will get the call. Instrumental break with a spirited fiddle solo. Outro. Yeah, Kai Best phone repair. Don't you despair. Kai Best phone repair. They'll get you there.